Hi guys, just a quick video of 5344 handicap accessible cabin. Doors are magnetic. Big wide door. Nice big mirror when you walk in. Lots of space. You have your 3 closets. TV vanity area. Couple of cubby holes. Your safe, there's your 4 drawers. You do have a refrigerator in here. Turn around real quick. The configuration is 2 twin beds with a couch that makes into a bed. Little coffee table. Bathroom, big wide door. Excuse the mess, we are lived in. Lots of room in this bathroom. Big vanity. Nice big shower. Has a chair that you can sit on. Has a seat that folds down from the wall. They did have a toilet riser in here. My daughter didn't need it, so we just had them take it out. Lots and lots of room. This is a aft balcony, extended balcony. You have a little ramp, so if you have a wheelchair or a walker. Lounge chair. Lots of room on this deck. A couple of chairs and a table. And you are on the back of the ship, so you get to listen to this, which is my favorite thing ever. Just a quick turnaround for you. Again, they have the ramp. And from what I understand, these beds, you're not able to make a queen bed out of those. They stay twins. They'll fold that couch up during the day to make it back into the couch. Lots of room if you have like a small wheelchair, maybe even a power scooter, because the door's really wide. You do have to reserve this room by calling into Carnival. It is not one that you can rent online, but it is a handicap accessible extended aft balcony. 5344. Apologize for the mess. We are lived in here. Very nice room. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.